automatic seed counter from BR Biochem Life Sciences Private Limited. This is microchip based digital electronic seed counter which offers precise automatic speed counting simply at press of a button. Seed counting can be painfully slow and laborious task, not with the clever benchtop instrument. Save time and labor and become more efficient and precise. Switch it on from the back side of the machine. There are simple membrane keypad operation, fully automated. LED shows hypothesis number and the actual number. Count speed can be changed through this knob. The operation is very quiet and you can set the precision mode as well. The case is made of metal. The measuring range is 1 to 99,999 seeds and the speed is 1000 seeds per 3 minutes. Big seed sample can be counted as 1000 seeds per 2 minutes and small seed samples can be counted as 1000 seeds per 4 minutes. The machine can be operated for more than 5 hours continuously. This machine can be used to count small seed as well as large seed of size 0.75, 0.7 mm to 12 mm. To operate the machine, this is seed platform. You have to fix it this way. This is the tap of the machine. You just fit this way and screw tight it from the top. After tightening it properly, put your seeds inside the platform. Here I am counting the pulses. Through this knob you can adjust as per the size of the seed so that one seed can go at one time and seed does not get clustered. So you can adjust it this way. The space should be like this, like one seed go at one time. Set the counting speed. That should not be very high for smaller seed samples. If you are counting less seeds, say if you are counting less seeds, then press set button, set your seeds. Suppose we are counting 20 seeds at one time. Then press set button again. To check your setting numbers, just press read button. Now it is showing 20 number. These are revise button to set the precision mode. Revise 2 is quick precision mode. Revise 1 is slow precision mode. Press 0 to start counting. Press count button. Adjust the speed from here. Speed should not be very high for lower numbers. So set the speed and press count button. Now 20 seeds has been counted. So this is the procedure. Thank you very much.